We're back in the kitchen. Yesterday I showed you how to prep ingredients and meal prep, and today I'm going to show you how I actually make myself lunch using those ingredients, and then we're going to chat a little bit about food waste towards the end. So I'm going to make kind of a salad bowl type meal. And so I had kale in the fridge, so I'm removing all the stems, and you can save the stems and actually juice them or blend them later. And then I am going to add some lemon juice and actually massage my kale. Have any of you massaged kale before? It wilts slightly and just becomes less bitter and easier to digest. Once the kale is massaged, I am going to add all my toppings that I pre-prepped yesterday in yesterday's video. I'm just gonna cut things a little bit along the way. Gonna add some carrots, some broccoli, I'm gonna add some beans to this, and I made these beans the other day before our meal prep. So basically you're just creating your own salad bar. How amazing, something that you'd find at Sweet Tomatoes. For the dressing, I'm making my own vegan Caesar salad, and I'll link a few recipes down below because I don't measure anything, and I've just made this so many times that I kind of throw things into a blender. So I'll link some of my favorites in the description, but basically it's just nutritional yeast, some different sauces, garlic, vinegar, some delicious capers. Do you guys love capers? And of course the cashews and some filtered water, and then you just blend all of it together until you have a creamy dressing. And then you can add toppings to your salad like pumpkin seeds, nutritional yeast, and I had some leftover tofu from a previous meal, so I added that on top. I made sure to put it in the oven first so it'd be like slightly warm. And there's my salad. Voila! So while I tend to have salads for lunch now, the same concept applies to all the meals that you make. For example, if you're gonna make a curry, if you already have the garlic and onion already chopped, you can just cook that, saute that up, then you add your curry powder, your coconut milk, then I'll add all of the pre-chopped veggies that we basically added for the salad into the curry, coconut milk and broth, let that simmer, and you got yourself a curry. It's probably the easiest curry you've ever made because you didn't have to chop up all the ingredients. So whether it's a stir fry, a soup, prepping your ingredients can make things so easy, and you can keep your ingredients in a week, and if you don't eat them within the week, I highly recommend freezing them in your freezer and then just taking them out and using them as you need them. So it's a great way to avoid food waste. It's a great way to eat healthier, more nutritious foods and add more veggies into everything you eat. And best, it's easy, y'all. This lunch took me probably 15 minutes, and that's only because filming took longer than like normal. So highly recommend trying it out. So being able to visualize what you have in your fridge and know the ingredients that you have is huge for helping you prevent food waste, as well as planning out the ingredients you'll use in meals. So maybe you're not cooking, you don't know exactly what meals you're gonna cook this week, but you know kind of what ingredients go in each. That helps you prevent a lot of food waste as well. So I hope this inspired you to make some easy, quick meals. For now, don't forget to live sustainably and consciously, and I will see you tomorrow.